stuudio Saue valla esindusrühmast. Nende tants kannab pealkirja Energia ning tantsu autoriteks on juhendaja Sofia-Liis Liiv koos tantsijatega.
I beg you listen me. I beg you open your ears for any wetin I dey say. Wetin I dey talk. Na serious talk I dey talk go. No be thing I go hear speaking. Listen. Wetin you go say?
Female energy, magical, my universe is radical. Introduce a nation to embracing what is factual. Feminine energy, almost mathematical. She sing a melody to pass the time. Give us her energy so she can mind. If I was astonished by the level of shame. Feminine energy, never shame again. Brain, tamed, brain, intuition and ambition running through my veins.
Suur aitäh Stuudio Saue valla esindusrühma tantsijatele.